Hello and welcome to the tutorial on subtraction. In this tutorial we will learn about number bonds to 5,000. Basically, what two numbers added together make 5,000. Now the type of question you will typically see is something like this. 5,000 minus something equals 2,465. Okay, now you can actually rewrite this question by moving the something to the right hand side. So it looks like this. It could actually be 5,000 equals 2,465 plus something. So what number added to 2,465 will give us 5,000. Now again, there's more than one way to do this. The most simple method is the one we're going to work on. Let's have a look at the units. Okay, we've got 5 units. We have to get the units to equal 0, or more likely it's actually going to be 10. Okay, we're adding, so we have to get it to the next possible 0. So what number added to 5 will give us 10? The answer is 5. Okay, now because we're adding 5, what we're going to do is 5 plus 5 equals 10, so we're carrying 1 to the next number. Okay, now we're going to do the tens. Now we don't have 6 anymore, we've actually got 7 because we carried 1 over. So we've got 7 tenths. What number added to 7 is going to give us a 0. So effectively, what number added to 7 is going to give us 10. Now you know this from your number bonds. 7 plus 3 will give us 10. Okay, and we're going to have to carry 1 over. Okay, now we're doing the hundreds. Okay, we've got not 400s, we've actually got 500s. Okay, we carried 1 over. So we've got 500s, and we need to get to the next 0, which is 10. So 5 plus what equals 10? The answer is 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. We carry 1 over. Okay, we're now on to the thousands. Let's just label it. Thousands. We don't have 2 thousands, we've actually got 3 because we carried 1 over. And we're trying to get to 5. So what number added to 3 will give us 5? The answer is 2. And that is our answer. 2,535. And it really is that simple. Just follow it through. You can actually do 5,000 minus 2,465 in the vertical format, but this is the best method to use. And if you do this a few times, get a bit of practice in, you'll be able to work through this very quickly. Okay, let's look at one more example. This time we have 5,000 minus something equals 3,824. Okay, we're going to use the same method, the same principles. So let's start with the units. Okay, we've got 4 units. The units have to equal 0. The next possible 0 is 10. So 4 plus something equals 10. The answer is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10, so we're carrying 1 over. We're now on to the tens. We don't have 2 tens anymore. We've actually got, Okay, let's just do that again. We've actually got 3 tens. Okay, we've got 3 tens. Now what number added to 3 is going to give us the next 0, which is 10. 3 plus something equals 10. The answer is 7. Okay, 3 plus 7 equals 10. And because it's 10, we're carrying 1 over. We're now on to the hundreds. Okay, we don't have 800s anymore. We've actually got 9. Okay, we carried 1 over. So what number added to 9 is going to give us the next 0, which is 10. 9 plus something equals 10. The answer is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, and so we're carrying 1 over. And lastly, we have the thousands. We don't have 3000s anymore. We've actually got 4 because we carried 1 over. And we're trying to get to 5000. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. And that is our answer. 1176. And it really is that simple. Practice, 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 and you'll be able to do this in no time at all. So that is subtraction of number bonds to 5000.